Is it too late now for Tool to say sorry? Well, Hailey Baldwin thinks so. The model is coming to the defense of her husband, Justin Bieber, after the lead singer from the rock band Tool negatively reacted to Justin being a fan.
Wow. Now, Bieber had posted lyrics to Tool's song The Pot in a handful of Instagram story slides. Apparently, Maynard James Keenan was not happy about it.
Nope, the frontman tweeted #bummer in response to an article about Bieber being a Tool fan.
What? Why is he so
going
mad?
out of his way, right?
So on Monday, Hailey stood up for her husband on Twitter, writing, "He expressed he was a fan of your music, grew up listening to your music. You must be unhappy with yourself that you want to make people feel small who express their admiration for you. Very childish and hurtful thing to do. I hope you find security within yourself. Sad place to be." I think she has a point.
She really slammed back, right?
Yeah.
The Tool frontman has yet to respond to Hailey's tweets. I don't know. It'd be kind of terrible to know that someone you looked up to totally doesn't appreciate you as a fan.
Yeah.
Right? I feel like that would be a bummer. At the same time, he has the right to his opinion, of course, but maybe going to Twitter and posting it like that is not a good look for him.
He's clearly not a believer. Maybe not everyone is a believer.
Hasn't seen the doc yet. If you watch the doc, maybe he'll change his heart a little bit. I feel like it's...
Justin has great music, though, so you got to give it a chance.
Yeah.
I don't know. This isn't the only controversy Justin's been involved in recently. The singer caught some criticism for defending his manager, Scooter Braun, in Braun's public spat with Taylor Swift. We've been talking about this for a while. Now, to recap, Braun purchased the entire back catalog of Taylor's music for $300 million. Taylor accused the music executive of manipulative bullying by himself and his clients, including the likes of Justin and Kanye West.
Justin wrote a lengthy message to T-Swift defending Braun. Hailey then shared his post and added the caption, "Gentlemen." So there you go.